Wow! Cheap mobile phone but good quality tapos free home delivery pa? Ito talaga yung isa sa mga wow na wow kabayan! Kabayan! We are here sa Starlink! Your home for quality and affordable tech! And great news! Kung naghahanap kayo ng quality and affordable mobile and tablet, let's go! Samahan nyo ko! Let's start kabayan dito sa kanilang TCL 503 model. Ito yung 3GB RAM plus 3GB RAM expansion, so total 6GB RAM. Tapos meron siyang 64GB with 5,000 mAh ng battery. And the good thing kabayan, this is just only 229 reals. Napakamura! Pero kabayan, kung gusto mo naman ng larger memory at saka mas mataas yung RAM niya, 16GB RAM at meron siyang 512 na storage. Grabe! Alam mo ba kung magkano to kabayan? For only 479. And it comes with two color. Meron silang blue at meron silang gray color. Ito naman yung next model kabayan, yung kanilang 50 Next Paper 5G. Meron siyang tatlong camera, which is 108 megapixel yung kanyang camera. So napakalinaw nito kabayan. At meron siyang 8GB RAM, 256GB of memory. Tapos meron siyang 5,010 mAh of battery. So ang tagal mo nang gamitin yon for gaming, for video calls. At alam mo ba kabayan kung ano pa yung isang magandang feature nito? Ito yung tinatawag nilang Next Paper 5G.
Ito kasi kabayan, matte finish display.
Okay.
And mayroon siya ditong settings kung saan pwede mo siyang i-on and it will give you like a paper display.
Mas maganda nga ganyan kasi mas maganda siya sa mata.
It's more safe to the eye. Especially kung gabi din, kung manonood ka, hindi siya ganun kasilaw sa mata. That's why eye safe.
And the price of this kabayan only for just 739 reals. And kabayan, if you're looking for bigger screen, meron din silang tablet dito. Meron silang dalawang tablet. Ito yung Tab 11 Gen 2. Meron siyang 6GB RAM, 256GB, tapos 8,000 mAh yung kanyang battery. This comes also kabayan with free flip case at meron na rin siyang libreng keyboard for only 629. Pero if you're looking for bigger screen kabayan, ayan.
Meron kami ditong 14-inch Tab TCL and matte finish na po siya. At mas malaki ang battery, 10,000 mAh. At ito ay 8GB RAM and 256GB storage na. Meron din siyang free keyboard and flip case.
For only 1,159 reals. All of these devices are new, feature pack, and best of all, very affordable. At kapag nag-order ka online kabayan, you will get your product within 1 hour free delivery. And of course, this is Starlink Company kabayan, one of the best dealer of gadget in Qatar. So what are you waiting for? Shop now at www.starlink.qa or visit the Starlink store near you. Kabayan, tara na sa Starlink or order now!